Hello everyone, my name is Aditi Agde and my coordinator name is Swarupa Chopde. We are studying in final year B Pharmacy from Shivajirao S. Zondale College of Pharmacy. We had prepared this presentation on the topic regarding antipsychotic drugs chlorpromazine and clozapine under the guidance of Dr. Nitin Mohire sir, professor and principal of our college, and co-guided by Asar Mashpa ma'am. Antipsychotic drugs means a drugs having a therapeutic effect in psychosis. Antipsychotic drugs are also called as neuroleptics or major tranquilizers. Means a drug which reduces mental tension and produces calmness without inducing sleep. Antipsychotic drugs are used primarily to treat schizophrenia, a biological illness, and all type of functional psychosis. Psychosis. These are severe psychiatric illness with serious distortion of thought, behavior, capacity to recognize reality and of perceptions, that is delusions and hallucinations. Types of psychosis. First is acute and chronic organic brain syndrome, which includes delirium and dementia. Second is functional disorders, which include schizophrenia and paranoid states. Third is mood disorders, which includes mania and depression. Schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is a particular type of psychosis that is a mental disorder caused by some inherent dysfunction of the brain. It is characterized by delusion and hallucination. Delusion means false belief that conflict with reality, and hallucination means patient in dreaming condition. Paranoid states, which includes fixed delusions, false beliefs, and loss of insight into the abnormality. Pharmacotherapy of mental illness. Antipsychotic drugs are majorly classified into two types: conventional antipsychotics and atypical antipsychotics. Conventional antipsychotic block dopamine D2 receptor in the limbic and mesocortical areas, while the atypical antipsychotics block 5-HT2 in mesolimbic system. Classification of antipsychotic drugs. It is divided into five types. First is phenothiazines, second is the butyrophenones, third is the thioxanthines, fourth is the other heterocyclic, and fifth is the atypical antipsychotics. Today we are explaining the drug chlorpromazine from the class phenothiazines and clozapine from atypical antipsychotics. Chlorpromazine. Chlorpromazine is in a class of medication called conventional antipsychotics. It works by changing the activity of certain natural substances in the brain and the other parts of the body. Mechanism of action of chlorpromazine. Chlorpromazine is basically works as dopamine blocker. It blocks the postsynaptic receptor of cortical area. It causes decrease in dopamine level, which results in decrease in psychotic symptom like hallucination. It also causes a block of dopamine receptor in the chemoreceptor trigger zone of the brain, which results in antiemetic activity. Chlorpromazine has a strong anti-adrenergic action and ganglionic blocking action, and it has weak anticholinergic, antihistamine, and anti-serotonin activity. Uses. Chlorpromazine is mainly used in the treatment of schizophrenia, effective in eliminating the positive symptoms of schizophrenia like delusions, hallucination, and thought disorders. It is less effective on negative symptoms like withdrawal and blunted emotions. It shows antiemetic effect, and it used in hypernation therapy. Side effects: dizziness, feeling unsteady or having trouble keeping your balance, blank facial expression, shuffling walk, restlessness, agitation, nervousness, unusual, slow or uncontrolled movements of any parts of the body. Adverse effect of chlorpromazine. In autonomic nervous system, it causes loss of accommodation, dry mouth, difficulty urinating, and constipation. In central nervous system, it causes Parkinson's, hypotension. In endocrine system, it causes amenorrhea, galactorrhea, infertility, impotence. and other adverse effect is weight gain. Pharmacokinetics, absorption, oral absorption of CPZ bioavailability is low. More consistent effects are produced after intramuscular or intravenous administration. Distribution, it is highly bounded to plasma as well as tissue proteins. Brain concentration is higher than plasma concentration. Volume of distribution is therefore large. Metabolism, it is metabolized in liver mainly by CYP2D6 into a number of metabolites. Elimination, half-life is variable but mostly is in the range of 18 to 13 hours. The drug accumulates on repeated administration and it is possible to give the total maintenance dose once a day. The metabolites are excreted in urine and bile for months after discontinuing the drug. Those therapeutic effect may be seen at 30 to 200 mg per ml. Brand name Clozin tablet, chlorpromazine HCl 100 mg, chlorpromazine hydrochloride tablet 25 mg. Company Psychotropic India and AN Pharmacacia Laboratories. Clozapine. Clozapine is an antipsychotic drug which comes under the atypical antipsychotics category. It is used in the treatment of resistant schizophrenia and to decrease suicidal risks in schizophrenia patients. Mechanism of action of clozapine. It works by two ways. First, it blocks dopamine D2 receptor in the mesolimbic pathway, which results in decrease in positive symptoms of schizophrenia. Second, it blocks serotonin 5-HT receptor in mesocortical pathway, which results in decrease in negative effect of schizophrenia. Uses. An atypical antipsychotic used in treatment of resistant schizophrenia TRS, patient intolerant of other antipsychotic. It is also used in Parkinson's disease. Some off-license indication, that is delusional disorders. Side effects: 3% risk of developing neutropenia, cardiac effects, constipation and chronic bowel obstruction, weight gain, hypersalivation, tachycardia, seizures, higher doses and dose related. Pharmacokinetics of clozapine: absorption rapid and almost complete. Protein binding 97% bound to serum proteins. Metabolism is hepatic. Clozapine is converted into its metabolites like norclozapine, clozapine N oxide, clozapine glucuronide. Elimination: approximately 50% of the administered dose is excreted in urine and 30% in feces. Dose: oral suspension is 50 mg per ml. Brand name clozapine 25 tablet, lozapine tablet. Company name Bondane Pharma and Torrent. Thank you.